This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the Band 10 and getting the Huawei Health app ready on your phone. This avoids interruptions. Once the band shows power, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone so discovery works. Open Huawei Health, tap Devices, choose Add, and select Band 10. You'll see a pairing prompt on both devices. Confirm the code. This step completes initial connection and syncs time and basic settings, so notifications and data. Now you customize what the Band 10 tracks and how it notifies you. In Huawei Health, pick a watch face and grant notification permission so messages appear on your wrist. Enable continuous heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking if you want 24-hour monitoring. These consume more battery, so balance accuracy and battery life. Make sure vibration intensity and do not disturb schedule match your routine. Then force a manual sync, so recent settings and historical data upload to the for daily use where the Band 10 snugly and learn swipe gestures. Swipe up for notifications, down for quick settings, and tap to select. If syncing stalls, first restart the band in your phone, then reopen Huawei Health. Make sure the app is updated. If reconnecting fails, unpair and pair again. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because you'll lose local data. Back up or sync everything before you reset so you don't lose workout history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.